Boa tarde, meus amigos. Bem-vindo. Well, today's project should be pretty quick. We bought an aerator for the pond. The tilapia are pretty active right now, I'm not sure why. But we decided to get rid of the water going into the pond because that's actually our drinking water. And it wasn't generating enough oxygen because there's plenty of times where the tilapia were coming to the surface and gulping air, which indicated low oxygen content in the pond. So if it doesn't rain quite a bit, it's going to be a lot of problems. So we decided to get the aerator. We'll just run it a couple hours a day. We have the solar panels to help offset the electricity now. So it's all connected, attached. It was only 3 brackets on it. It's kind of a pretty cool system. Basically, this sits into the water and this little propeller just shoots the water up. I thought it used a pump, but it doesn't. So I've got electrical to connect this to an outlet on the deck. So what Anna and I are going to do is grab the rope. I'm going to walk around the one side and try not to fall into the pond and anchor the rope down there, and we'll try to get it positioned in the center of the pond, and then the other rope will anchor over here on this side of the pond. Come on. They swim pretty good. And Ariel thinks we threw a stick out there for her. So she's out there looking for a stick. Do you have a stick to throw for her? There we go. There we go. Now she's happy.
Ariel, vem pra cá, amor. Esse aqui, ó. Esse barranquinho aqui tá bom.
She swims really good.
And the fish swim around the hair like they already know.
Maya. Maya.
Maya always looking for something bad.
Ariel doesn't want to share her stick with Maya.
Maya, that's not yours.
The dragonflies flying around here. I wonder what the fish are eating. All right. Okay, grab your end of the rope. Or actually, if I grab both, it'll make a difference. Don't fall, because your phone's in your pocket.
Better you take it out, huh? Then don't give a chance.
Yeah. I'm gonna put my phone in there so if I fall in, I need to bring this with me. Okay, so you're gonna have to grab this and walk over there because it's not gonna reach, and then walk back with it. Okay. Don't need all of it, just grab.
I don't think this is gonna be enough to go to the another side.
Well, we're gonna find out. Really?
Yeah.
Probably should have put it in over there.
Put what? You go. You can't bring with you.
Think I can make it?
No. And then we're gonna lose that stuff. You're not gonna make it. Ai, teimoso, meu Deus, como é teimoso, Jesus amado. Ariel, think you are throwing the stick for her. Tá, you get it, yeah. Look, Ariel, she thinks it's a stick. Let me go get that stick. Your phone is ringing. Somebody's calling you. Somebody from Florianopolis, do you know?
Nope. Probably spam.
Yeah.
Right.
It's not more easy if you take this on the water. Ah, meu gringo, you cannot walk there, gringo. Yeah, that is fine. She cannot resist the water and this heat. It's too hot.
Love the water.
She loves it.
Yeah. All right. This one's way too tall, but gotta find a soft spot. I don't think it'll go in over here. Too big, but
Yeah, take out a little bit. So don't be so ugly. Maya, leave her alone. Troublemaker.
it's not like there's gonna be hurricane wind.
Yeah. You want to pass this for the other side?
We'll just have to come and check on it because I'm afraid it'll wear on the post from.
So you're not gonna pull anymore for this one? The cord is already fine? The rope?
What? The wire is going to hang in the water.
Uh-huh.
We don't have a choice on that.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? How far does that go? I hope I got enough.
How many meters did you go?
20.
20.
Here we go.
Yeah, I have something. You take it out from top.
Yeah, but I don't know what side I wrap.
Yeah, it's there. Outer food.
Neither side feels sticky. I cut a little bit deeper than I wanted it to.
Olha aí na terra mesmo, Ariel. Isso, Ariel. Ótimo. Excellent. Yeah, mm-hmm.
There we go.
Amor, do you think they're not gonna come to this way to fix the street there? To fix the road?
I don't know, they left.
Oh my God, why?
I don't think there was a reason for them to leave for lunch, so.
Oh, yeah. I'm going there to do a complaint.
Well, give them time. Maybe they'll be back tomorrow. Maybe something happened and...
Yeah, but it is. I don't think it's that side. I don't think it's that side. Because they have no reason to put this there.
Neither side is sticky. Feel it. So, do they put this on and then they put the other tape on?
It's supposed to be only that one.
I don't see how. It's not sticky. Probably too much.
Yeah.
But it's going to be out here in the sun all the time, so...
Better put a little bit more than us.
This one's going to be tough, but I'm going to do it different.
Because they say it doesn't get water because I have to pull hard.
Yeah, so now I'm going to have you hold this like this.
Okay.
And then I'm going to start wrapping here. I'm going to put one more on. Probably overkill, but I don't want it shorting out.
Yeah, but I think now, like, when it gets so hot,
It's
get
going to
more
sticky.
sticky out.
Yeah, but I'm going to start here. Okay,
Look, it's good.
I think so. Alright, now we have to go up on the deck. Alright, got the wire stripped back. Gonna figure out how much I actually need to go in there. Looks like this is more than enough. Do the same on both sides.
Woohoo!
And it looks like it works really good. What do you think?
Beautiful.
That's generating some oxygen, a lot more than that water pipe.
Yeah. It's good because it's not cheap. It's really expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, good. All right. Well, that project's done. It wasn't too bad, just a little bit of electrical and pounding things into the ground. Anna's going to be happy. Heishi's going to be happy.
Yeah,
So,
I'm happy.
we put a lot of fish in the pond. We want to make sure that they're going to do well. And this pond is really new, so it doesn't have, you know, the environment. It's, you know, it doesn't got weeds and algae and stuff growing in there that the fish are going to eat. So hopefully this will help out. I figure we'll run it a couple hours each day, and when we have a timer to put it on, so we can set it and it'll just automatically come on, and hopefully that'll make a big difference. Project done.